Hello viewers, my name is Samir Khan and welcome back to my channel Sam's Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about vitamins and vitamin deficiency diseases. Vitamins are organic substances and are also called as micronutrients because they are required in very small quantities. We do not synthesize vitamins in our body, but we do get them from two different sources. The first one is through the diet and the second one is from the bacteria which is present in our intestine. Vitamins are classified into two groups. The first one are called water soluble vitamins, which means these vitamins can be easily dissolved in water. All the B complex vitamins and vitamin C are the examples for water soluble vitamins. The second one are fat soluble vitamins. These are similar to oils and they can be easily dissolved with fats. Vitamin A, D, E and K are the examples for fat soluble vitamins. Let us now study about water soluble vitamins. The first one is vitamin B1. The chemical name is thiamine. The deficiency disease in this case is beriberi and the symptoms we can see are vomiting, fits, loss of appetite which means reduced hunger. There will be difficulty in breathing and paralysis. The second vitamin is vitamin B2 and the chemical name is riboflavin. The deficiency disease seen here is glossitis. In this case, we can see the symptoms like the mouth, it cracks at the corner. There will be red and sore tongue, photophobia, which means the person will not be able to see the light directly, and scaly skin. The next vitamin is vitamin B3. The chemical name is niacin. The deficiency disease in this case is pellagra. And the symptoms seen here are the person will suffer with dermatitis, there will be diarrhea, loss of memory, scaly skin are all the symptoms. The next vitamin is vitamin B5. The chemical name is pantothenic acid. The deficiency disease in this case is burning feet. The person will suffer with walking problems and sprain. The next vitamin is vitamin B6 and the chemical name is pyridoxine. The deficiency disease seen here is anemia. In this case, the symptoms are hyperirritability, nausea which means vomiting sensation and the person will generally suffer with vomitings and fits. Next vitamin is vitamin B7 and the chemical name is biotin. In this case, the deficiency disease is nerve disorders. And the symptoms seen here are fatigue, which means the person will get tired immediately after doing simple works. There will be mental depression and muscle pain. The next vitamin is vitamin B9. The chemical name is folic acid. The deficiency disease is anemia and the symptoms are the person will suffer with diarrhea, there will be loss of leukocytes which means white blood cells and there will be intestinal mucosal problems. The next vitamin is vitamin B12. The chemical name is cyanocobalamin and this is the only vitamin which is synthesized by the bacteria present in our intestine and this vitamin is synthesized from the food material shown in the picture. Deficiency of this vitamin causes pernicious anemia and the symptoms are the person will be having lean and weak body and there will be less appetite for him. The next vitamin is vitamin C. Chemical name is ascorbic acid. This vitamin is mostly found in citrus fruits. The deficiency disease is scurvy. The symptoms seen are there will be delay in healing of wounds and also delay in healing of fractured bones. Now let us study about the fat soluble vitamins. The first one is vitamin A and the chemical name is retinol. The deficiency disease seen here are there will be eye and skin related diseases, night blindness, xerophthalmia and cornea failure are eye related diseases, whereas the scaly skin is the skin related disease. The next vitamin is vitamin D. The chemical name is calciferol. This vitamin is also called as sunshine vitamin because we can get this vitamin when we get exposed to the sun rays during mornings. The deficiency of this vitamin causes rickets. And the symptoms are there will be improperly formation of bones, knock knees, swollen wrist, delayed dentition, weak bones are all the symptoms. The next vitamin is vitamin E. The chemical name is tocopherol. The deficiency disease is fertility disorder. The deficiency of this vitamin causes sterility in males whereas abortions in females. And the last vitamin is vitamin K. The chemical name is phylloquinone. The deficiency disease in this case is delay in blood clotting. And the symptoms will be there will be delay in blood clotting during injuries as well as there will be overbleeding. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, then do share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.